raining.
Bro,
I told you we need to go to Hotel Hilton, so that's where we're gonna go.
We just go home.
No, if you want to go home, you should have stayed at home. I didn't tell you to come with me. No, I didn't. You should have just stayed at home if you wanted to stay at home. We need to go to Hotel Hilton and then find Uncle.
Where's that?
I don't know. We've been looking around for hours now.
So can we go home?
We need to try at least look for it. We haven't found it and I know it's here. Do you have your phone? Where's your phone?
Here.
Let's go Navigator. We have to go this way. That it said that we have to go this way. It's not my fault that it's not that way.
Okay, so why can't we just go home since we can't find it?
If you don't want to come with me, no one told you to come with me. No, you can go back home if you want to. Go and find your way. Jesus Christ. Is this way, Eunice, man?
Is this way? What are you talking about?
How are you gonna tell me?
How are you telling me?
Did you check the map?
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. I checked it.
So
It's this way.
It's this
You're
way.
always trying to send us. That's where home is. That's what you're saying is that way.
No, it's this way.
What's that way?
Rosa, it's this way.
What's that way?
It's this way.
Tell me what's that way then.
Rosa, where we're going is this way.
Okay, and where is where we're going?
Rosa, I do not know. But
What is
you
where
said,
we're going?
You said we're gonna go somewhere.
Eunice, I'm telling you, it's this way. So we're gonna go this way. I told you it was this way. You should have seen that. Well, it comes out from the front.
Yeah, mum.
This girl has so many options. I love this one.
It's so high, like I feel like I'm floating.
I feel like Dad already has that one, so we need to get Mum this one. This was the newest one and even has the open part. Oh my god, I love this one. Which one do you like out of all three of them?
This one.
So it's alright because Dad already has that one. I thought this one's the newest one. It comes in gold, bro. Do you know
I like the colors, yeah.
It's different. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, this one has a lot of options. Look, it has this. The start engine is there as well. The start engine is there, and it even has heaters at the back. You don't see the heaters.
Yeah.
I love them. Ooh, my earphones. Look, and it even has this as if it's a taxi. This is like a taxi. What's in here?
Ooh, it's so clean.
No, that's a frigo.
My arm is so deep.
Ooh. This one and that one. Which would you like? This one's like in between. Oh, babe, this one's nice as well. I'm coming.
This is the defender.
Oh, this one's nice as well. I feel like I'm in the military. This one has 8 spaces. The other one only has 7. This one has 8. There's one more at the back.
I want Amber.
Oh, I love this one. This one's so nice. Look, I can literally have all my friends here. Pew, 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 pew.
Who's your friend? Show me friend.
I do have friends. What are you on? This one's nice, but I like the other one better. This one's more military. It's giving war. It's giving war. I like the other one. I like this one. It's giving war. This one. If all 3 of them cars are 59.
I like the one there.
The gold one. I like the gold one as well. We're gonna go into our dad. For the millions of people walking behind us.
Imagine living up there and you have to go all the way down here.
Imagine only stairs and imagine there was no elevators. As in workout where? As in gym where? You can just work out yourself. That is more than just a workout. I love Canada Square. Canada Square is like the best place in Canary Wharf. There's so many places like Jubilee and all them, but I feel like this one's the best place.
Yeah, I like this place. Imagine if this tower falls on me.
Then we're not the only ones dead, but there are thousands of people behind us.
That's what you call on deck.
And imagine there was no elevators.
And imagine if you look up at the top.
As in gym where?
As in,
Bro, exercise just going up and down.
wow.
That's all you have to do. That is more than just a workout. As in slim where? I'm tired. I really want to go home. It's getting cold. We're literally in winter now.
That's good.
What? What?
I'm making so much noise.
What on earth? No, it's no, that's what?
No.
That's impossible.
What's impossible?
Eunice, it's showing that I peed on the bed. This is water. There's water on my bed.
Let me check. At the age of 14p.
Eunice, I'm not peeing on the bed. I haven't peed from like what? 8 years now.
It's fine. Yeah, Rosa, that's pee.
No, it's not, Eunice.
It's even warm.
No, I haven't peed on the bed.
Rosa, you peed. It's fine. Shh.
God, no, Eunice, I haven't peed on the bed.
Rosa, you peed on the bed. Jonathan!
Why are you calling Jonathan for?
Sure.
This is my business. It's not your business.
Okay. Jonathan!
Oh my God.
Jonathan! Let me check at him.
Eunice, I didn't
disgusting.
pee.
You're disgusting. Move. Let me see. No, Rosa, that's pee.
No, it's not, Eunice.
Rosa, what is it?
I didn't pee.
Jonathan!
What? Why are you calling Jonathan for?
Jonathan!
I didn't pee. God, what is this?
What is it then?
Eunice, I didn't pee.
Yes, you did!
No, I didn't.
Rosa, I know it's hard, but you peed.
Eunice, I didn't pee.
Rosa, you peed. What is it?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I haven't done that since I was like 7.
When I did it, so you peed. Rosa, calm down. You peed. Jonathan! Come in!
I didn't pee on the bed.
Jonathan!
Yeah.
No, Eunice, don't be telling Jonathan my business.
Rosa peed on the bed.
No, I didn't.
Well, how did you pee on the bed?
No, Eunice, why are you even calling him over?
Jonathan, come back!
Why are you peeing on the bed, Rosa, at your big age?
Bro, even I'm surprised.
How are you peeing on the bed? Rosa, that is a lot of pee. What the hell?
It doesn't even smell like urine. It smells like pure water.
It's a big patch.
Water.
Rosa, that is not water, that's pee. I'm gonna go tell mum.
Why are you gonna tell mum? It's not mum's business and it's not your business either.
Because you're peeing on the bed at your
But
big
it's
age.
not. I didn't pee on the bed though.
Hey, look at
No,
it.
I didn't. I didn't pee on the bed. This is water. It's pure water.
Embarrassed.
Very embarrassed.
Okay, this is my issue. It's not your issue. No Eunice's issue because it happened on my bed. It wasn't on your bed. It wasn't on Eunice's bed, and it wasn't on mum's bed. So mum doesn't have to know. You don't even have to know, and Eunice didn't have to know either. It's my issue, and I'm telling you, I didn't pee on the bed.
So who did it?
How can I spend?
A ghost.
How can I spend 8 years of not peeing on the bed? Then all of a sudden, as soon as I nearly hit 15, I want to pee on the bed. Does it make sense?
It was a ghost.
It was a ghost, clearly, because she's saying that's water.
When was the last time I peed on the bed?
Today.
You tell me.
We've probably been doing it the whole week, but this is the first time we've actually found out. But I'm gonna go tell mum.
Ooh. I'm not even understanding what's happening, but I know
What
I didn't
happened
pee
is
on
that
the
you peed
bed.
on the bed.
I didn't pee on the bed.
Okay.
I didn't pee on the bed. Eunice,
Yeah.
come let's play a game.
What game?
An eating game.
Why?
Because it's gonna be fun.
But I'm doing gymnastics.
It's an eating game. You love to eat. Let's go. So what we're about to do is play a game.
What game?
Guess the flag. And whoever gets it eats
a little bit of our favourite cooked ham. You know how you like ham.
I don't know if I do.
So, no, don't touch it yet.
Okay.
Let's play. Right, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's starting. I already know I'm about to win, so get ready to lose. UK. This is good. Brazil. Malaysia. Stop copying me.
I'm not copying you.
Don't get stressed. You want some? But you're not gonna have some. I told you I'm gonna win. South Africa. I'm already getting ready to put my step down again. Next one. Portugal. Who do you think you are? Pick up the message you just done. Pick it up. Where are you going? Dubai, Eunice. Casey. Eunice. Where are you going? And if you're going to you don't know who that was at the minute. There's a message you got there. You're going to pick it up. You're going to pick it up. Oh, no, it's Mama. No, it's Mama. You're going to pick it up. Go and pick it up. It's not my fault. You're not stupid. You're stupid. There. Eunice, come back. Where are you going?
Stop.
It's not my fault that you don't know the country we live in.
I'm not taking
Oh,
it.
that man like that. Hey, Eunice.
Stop.
Don't go and book an auto like you don't even know what it is. Are you stupid? Where are you going? Eunice. Eunice, come back and be serious. It's not my fault you're stupid. Don't go and book an auto like you don't even know. You don't even know the flag. The country we live in. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, idiot. Eunice, you're stupid.
Rosa, I don't want the juice.
No, what do you want? The juice.
I want milk.
You want what?
Milk.
One more time?
I said milk.
You want milk, yeah?
Yes.
And you call yourself a gymnast?
Yes.
And you want to go to your competition?
Yes.
And you're not training for it?
I am.
You're training for it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about your diet? Don't you know that you can't even eat a meal with drink?
What's a little
With
bit of
milk.
milk gonna do?
No, Eunice.
I work out every day. What's a little bit of milk? Just
No, Eunice. Start taking care of your diet. You know
I
you have
am.
your competition coming up. You don't want to be.
But-
You don't want to be heavy weighted.
for 1 glass of milk.
No, Eunice. It's gonna make you sick. You already have rice. You already have stew. You already have meatballs, and you want to drink it with milk. Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. So you're
If
not
I did
getting
that, I
it.
wouldn't want to do it.
Drink your juice.
1 glass of milk won't do anything. I've been working out for 7
I
months
didn't
now.
say it's gonna do anything. I'm just saying
You
you
said
have
I'm
to
gonna get
focus on
heavy.
your diet. Yes, you are gonna get heavy.
So it's gonna do something basically then.
Yes.
Exactly. So why are you saying that it wouldn't do anything?
Yeah. It doesn't work.
It does.
No, you just sit down and drink your juice. If
I want
not,
milk.
water even would be even better. So please,
I want milk.
if you want, go and drink water.
Yes, I want milk.
If you want, go and get water.
I want milk.
You're not getting milk.
Marissa, I've been speaking
You're not getting
English.
milk. Why am I taking care of you more than you're taking care of yourself?
Marissa,
Boss, do you want to take this home, yeah?
yeah, of course. Why not?
Mama! Mama, Eunice alingamela miliki, na loso, na musuni, na supu. Na every day, I look at Santima, ninga kama muka bala kumela miliki
Mama,
bepura.
is that problem?
Eunice.
Yeah.
Eunice. Ozokolia déjà ozolia biloko ozokomela jus okopumela so miliki te miliki ya komela oyiteke so miliki ya sala mabenda libunu boni buzoa boyiko
Na ese kutu ninga sa competition mana gymnastique akokuza kilo te.
No.
so ozomela miliki omeli miliki so komela nini jus omeli jus okomixa ngo ndenge wana together te boni buzoa boyiko.
Merci maman.
please me if you like.
Why do you just want to say hey?
Okay, but why do you want to revise just here? You already know I'm doing things. You can see I'm in my groove, but then you just want to revise next to me. Can you not just go and sit in the middle or something, please?
Why? Let's just sit down. So that come on, let's just study.
Eunice, you can tell I'm clearly revising on my own subject, and you want to revise on your own subject, and you want to sit next to me.
Yeah.
Can you not go somewhere else or something, please? You're gonna stress me out.
Well, just move your leg.
Stop. You're gonna distract me. I'm
Come
literally
on, just
studying
move your
here.
leg.
No, I'm studying here. Go and study somewhere else. Why do you just want to study with me? We're not even doing the same subject. Right, Eunice, I'm going to shower. I finished my work.
Whatever, man.
I'm going to shower. I best see you already in bed by the time I come out.
Whatever.
When I come out, you best be in your bed already because you know it's already late.
Eunice! Oh my god! It's cold! Oh my god! It's freezing! Oh my god, the water's so cold! Oh my god! Oh, let me turn it off! Oh my god! Eunice!
Yeah?
Has the whole water finished?
Yeah, why? Yeah.
Please help!
What?
It's so cold! I can't even see. My eyes are closed.
Okay.
Oh. Eunice, can you please do me a favor?
What?
Can you go and put hot water in the kettle and put a bit of cold water so the water's like warm, like lukewarm, and then after come and give it to me, please. I already have soap all over my eyes. Eunice! Oh my god, my eyes! Oh my god, Eunice, my eyes! Oh my god, Eunice, the water! Oh my god! Oh, my eyes! Eunice, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Sophie!